120 runners from all over Wales lined up for the start of one of the season's big events, the Welsh 10-kilometre race organised by the Welsh Cross Country Association. Starter Ken Harris gets them underway as they set off on the 3.5 lap event, which incorporates the veterans race and the team event as well as the individual. Bernard Hayward, one of the early pace setters, closely followed by Peter Radcliffe and Dave Hopkins, with Ted Turner and Dick Evans in attendance as well. Well, Gleeblands is situated right alongside the M4 motorway, and it's the headquarters of Newport Harriers, one of the oldest athletic clubs in Britain. Older viewers perhaps may remember it as a well-known horse racing stadium just before the war. There's Peter Radcliffe, the defending champion, moving up to take an early lead. Conditions, of course, were ideal for long-distance running, cold and sunny, but fairly dry underfoot. And all the while, rugby and soccer matches going on in the background. The team event had settled down to a battle between those old rivals, Cardiff and Swansea, with Cardiff maintaining an early lead, and there the leaders in fact go under the M4 motorway, which leads from South Wales up to London. Approaching now the three-quarter stage of the race, and Peter Radcliffe from Cardiff Athletic Club had established a commanding lead already. Way behind him, the 120 competitors straggle out there as Peter comes alongside the Usk. And here is the winner, Peter Radcliffe of Cardiff Amateur Athletic Club, coming in to retain his title. He won it last year, he wins it again this year in a very, very good time, 31 minutes and 41 seconds. Behind him in second place is Dave Hopkins, a former champion, who is congratulated by the winner. And in third and fourth place, close behind, Ted Turner of Bristol and Dick Evans of Cardiff.
And Dick.
A very, very big field here today. Where was your main competition coming from, did you feel?
Mostly worried about Dave Hopkins and Steve Jones, but Steve Jones never arrived here. And I had great difficulty getting here. I only selling my car this morning. And I couldn't catch my uncle's car. I arrived in only about 2 minutes before the start of the race, so I had no idea who was here, who was not.
The sun is absolutely brilliant, but it is bitterly cold. What were the conditions like for the race?
Well, I was bitterly cold before I started, but as soon as I started getting into the race, I felt my hands warming up and the rest of my body sort of thing.
Because you are now the champion, you are automatically selected for Wales in their next big match, which is in 3 weeks' time at Crystal Palace. Where will your big competition come from then, do you feel?
Well, I think it'd be Dave Black if he's running, or Ian Stewart, or Brendan Foster maybe. But I'm hoping to have a go anyway.
And what are your other plans now for the rest of the season?
Well, I hope to keep it going and hope I make Edmonton next year.